Omaha steaks. Maybe you've heard of them. But are their steaks worth the price? Well, recently, I got 4 8-ounce New York strip steaks as a gift. So let's put them to the test. It's time for another hot dish from Happy Healthy Why.
With Daddy!
Our individually wrapped Omaha steaks came frozen and were kept frozen by being in a box, this one, surrounded by dry ice, which is all contained in a styrofoam container. Since they arrived frozen, I stuck the box in the freezer. After a couple weeks of being in the freezer, we were ready to test them. To compare, I bought some choice New York strip steaks, not the top of the line, at Costco 2 days before the test and placed one of them inside the refrigerator. The night before the cooking, I took an Omaha steak from the freezer and placed it in the refrigerator, since they recommend thawing it in the refrigerator overnight. I usually don't cut my steaks in half, but while my son and wife like a well-done steak, the heathens, having 2 halves of steak make it easier to cook one well done and the other medium rare. The Omaha steaks come in this easy to open package, and this one is about a ½ inch thick. The Costco steak is closer to 1 inch thick. To make it easier to cook the Costco steak well done for my son and wife, I sliced the thickness in half. Today, this also has the benefit of making that part of the steak a similar thickness to the Omaha steak. Now that the meats are properly thawed and cut to be similar, it's time to season them. Garlic powder, salt, and pepper on both sides. To the grill we go. 5 steaks prepared, 4 get slapped on the grill. According to Omaha Steak's cooking chart, to make their 1/2 inch steak well done, 8 minutes of cooking total. In my book, an 8-minute steak means flipping every 2 minutes and quarter turning the steak for beautiful cross-hatch grill marks. Rare 1/2 inch steaks take 4 minutes, so the halfway mark, the 5th steak gets slapped on the grill and will get 1 minute per side before flipping and turning. Now that all 5 steaks are done at the same time, let's check their doneness with my new fancy meat thermometer. Thick Costco steak, 122 degrees, nice and rare. Thin Costco steak, 149 degrees, medium well. Omaha steak number 1, 138 degrees, medium. Wait, that's not very medium. I guess the wait time from grill to table cooled down the steaks. And Omaha steak number 2, 127 degrees for a nice medium rare. Want to get this trusty Halbor meat thermometer for yourself? Link to the Amazon in the description below. Let's see what my kids and I think.
Okay, you can stop it now. Okay, so let's try this one first. You can see the Teddy doneness. You can have that one, Teddy, and Camille and I will take our doneness level. Smell it. Gotta tell Teddy, so Teddy wasn't paying attention.
It smells like seasoning. That's all some sort of dog. I would figure out what it was.
Very tender, very juicy. A well-cooked medium rare steak.
It was very tender and it had good flavor. My piece had a bit of fat on it and I usually don't like that, but this one kind of just added more flavor. So, very good.
You're listening to a broken record. It was very tender. There was a lot of sauce. It had a lot of flavor. Broken record. Okay.
Let's try the other one. Smell it. And taste it.
Smells the same. This one's like this one, except more tender and more flavor. We're gonna pass it on.
Mine felt a tiny bit tougher, but it was still very tender. And I think it had a bit less flavor, but it was still very good.
I definitely noticed a difference in flavor. Tender-wise, about the same, not much difference tender-wise. It's a little thinner, so that makes it hard to make a medium rare tender, but flavor-wise, it had something different. Hard to put my finger on exactly. It just tasted slightly different.
Worse.
Oh, Camille thinks it was worse. But then Teddy and I both think that one, the thinner one, was better. So we had a split decision. Maybe you'll like Costco better, or maybe you'll like the Omaha steaks better. But now, is it worth the difference in price? This steak cost, I'll get the real amounts and it'll be in the video itself. Is it worth twice the price?
Y'all are gonna be broke.
No, Teddy, it's not worth twice the price?
No. It's
No?
better, but it's not that much better.
Happy Healthy Wife Chef Barry here, reminding you to... Wait a minute, you're still here? Well, if so, then you might want to consider clicking on the like button or leaving a comment down below. It really helps support the channel. And you can also subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays with shorts on Thursdays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.